If number system has been disturbing you, this is the right time for you to grab it. This is your day. So we are studying number system. And in number system, there are 4 number systems that you have that are commonly known. And the first one is decimal system. Then we have the binary system. The third one, octosystem. And then the fourth one, hexadecimal system. These are the 4 that today we are going to look up. The ones we are looking at today, and I'm going to explain each one more. I'm starting with a decimal system. When I talk about decimal system, what do you get? What comes into your mind? Do you know what comes in my mind? Decimal system comes from decade, and a decade, there are 10 years. There are 10 years. So to get it clear, you just have to remember it from the decade, which are 10 years, and it is also known as base 10. It has a base 10. That is the decimal system. So you just have to remember it from the decade, and that is 10. So always put it in your mind that the decimal system has a base 10. So the next is binary system. When I talk about binary, what comes into your mind? Bi means 2. Bi just means 2, and because of that, it has a base 2. So again, put binary. Whenever you hear the word binary, just know that it has a base 2. The third one is octosystem. When I talk about octosystem, what comes into your mind? Just remember right away from the word octagon. So the shape looks like this. This is the shape, and it has 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So it has 8 sides. That gives us base 8 is hexadecimal system. Okay, that one, let us separate them. Hexa. When you hear the word hexa, what comes into your mind? What comes into my mind is that shape, hexagon. That shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 6 sides. Yeah, so that shape has 6 sides. Then we remember we are only talking about the them, and note that hexa plus decimal gives you 16. Gives you 16, because that is 6 plus 10, you get 16. Then another thing is, let us see here. I'm going to show you the digits a decimal has, and the digits a binary has, the digits octo system has, and that hexadecimal has. So a decimal has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 10 digits for for the decimal. Don't mind that why the 10th isn't there. Just know that, just remember that we started from 0, and note this, number systems start from 0. Any number system start from 0. Now let's look at binary system. When it has 0 and 1, which makes them 2 digits. So that gives it a base 2. Let's look at octosystem. Octosystem, remember I said it has 8, a base 8, and those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. Yeah, those are 8 digits, giving it a base 8. Octo is a base 8 system. Then let's look at the hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. One thing you should know, hexa equals to letters. Hexa, for the side of hexa, you should use letters. You should use letters. Then for the side of the decimal, we use numbers. We use numbers. Then let us first look for the numbers of a decimal. Remember, we said there are 10. That is a 0, a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Those are the numbers of a decimal. Then remember we said hexa. If we talk about hexa, if someone talks about hexa, what should come into your mind should be letters. Hexa is written as letters, 6 letters. So let's remember hexa is letters. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, and F, making them the letters of hexa. So let's combine the hexadecimal together. The letters of the numbers of a decimal and letters of the hexa. So write hexa as letters, just like I told you before. Write hexa as letters, and decimal numbers. Okay, let's combine them. That is 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then those are 10 digits, all numbers. So making them the numbers of decimal. Then let's also write the letters of an hexa. So you must make sure that you make them up to 16. So 10 represents B, and then A represents 10, B represents 11, and C represents 12, D represents 13, and E represents 14. E represents 14. F represents 15. So if you count them from the 0 to this F, which is the 15, you will get 16 digits, by which I told you should get this trick. This should not trick you. It should not trick you. The X are representing letters. It should not disturb you. It should not disturb you anymore. So making 16 digits as the hexadecimal means. So we are going to learn the simple method in my next video of successive. It is called a successive method of turning decimals into binary systems. Turning binary systems, decimals into octosystems. Turning decimal systems into hexadecimal systems. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. So please subscribe and click onto the bell button